Thursday, October 17th, 2024. Saint Ignatius of Antioch. Focus. Woe to you, lawyers, for you have taken away the key of knowledge. Retreats play a big role in deepening the faith of many Christians. Besides priests, some lay people also conduct or preach retreats. Most of these organizers, both clerical and lay, are a positive spiritual influence. However, there are some who, for the personal gain, mislead gullible people into believing they are practically divine. It is not surprising, therefore, to see people flock to retreat houses more than to God's own house, the church. In today's Gospel, Jesus criticizes the lawyers and the theologians. Although they claimed to know God and His ways, in truth it was not so. By the depth of knowledge they had acquired over the years from Scripture, they should have been able to discern and recognize who Jesus was. Instead, they found fault with Him. That is not all. They deprived the common folk of the key of knowledge by forcing their half-baked understanding and prejudices on them. As a result, many people avoided getting close to Jesus or even rejected Him. What is the lesson for us? If we wish to bring others to Jesus, we must first get close to Him ourselves. We need to know Jesus rather than know about Him. It is only then that God will work through us and touch other people's lives. Fruit: I will deepen my personal relationship and friendship with Jesus so that I give others true knowledge about Him.